Who would have thought that DJI would come up with another blast after releasing various products this year? At least we didn't, as they just released the DJI Mini 3 drone, a stripped-down version of the Mini 3 Pro. However, it does have some improvement compared to its predecessor, the Mini 2. Now the main fact is, what exactly does the DJI Mini 3 throw away to be a sophisticated entry-level drone while we have its Pro version on the market? Well, let's find out. We believe the DJI Mini 3 Pro is ideal for both beginners and professionals, but now with only the Mini 3, which one to pick? Well, the Mini 3's design is almost identical to the Mini 3 Pro, except the front-facing sensors is missing and replaced by grills and smooth plastic. Also, the gimbal and camera designs are the same, so it can rotate just like the Mini 3 Pro, allowing you to capture vertical as well. And obviously, both drones weigh 249 grams, so you don't require a flying permit. As for the camera system, both drones come with a 1x1.3 sensor, but the Mini 3 has only 12 megapixels while the Mini 3 Pro boasts 48 megapixel shooting capability. Also, video recording on the Mini 3 is limited to 4K 30fps rather than 4K 60fps on the Mini 3 Pro. Another downgrade you'll have from the Mini 3 is that there is no video recording at 120fps as found on the Mini 3 Pro. Furthermore, for a decent low-light performance, both Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro have dual native ISO. Another noticeable absence in the Mini 3 is you won't get a 10-bit DCinema-like profile, so no more post-processing flexibility. Not just that, the Mini 3 lacks so many AI features compared to the Mini 3 Pro, including ActiveTrack 4.0, Hyperlapse, Master Shots, and APAS 4.0. The only thing that it has is Quick Shots. It even comes with a DJI O2 that allows you to transmit 720p videos at 30fps, and the range it supports is up to 10 kilometers. Whereas the Mini 3 Pro is equipped with DJI O3, which can ensure a transmission range of up to 12 kilometers with 1080p at 30fps. Both drones have some other features to help beginners. That includes auto return home and auto takeoff, so the aircraft will return to a starting point if the battery is low or the signal drops. The Mini 3 flies and maneuvers just like the Mini 3 Pro, but the problem is it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors. It does have a downward vision system for stable hovering, however, it lacks the front and rear obstacle avoidance sensors that we have seen in the Mini 3 Pro. So, you are welcome to fly directly into a tree or building. Anyway, the Mini 3 is compatible with DJI RC and RC N1 remote. One thing we cannot believe is that the Mini 3 provides a long flight time compared to the Mini 3 Pro. The Mini 3 delivers up to 38 minutes with a standard battery life, while it can go up to 51 minutes with extended batteries. On the other hand, the Mini 3 Pro can fly for up to 34 and 57 minutes, so big clap for the Mini 3. Regarding the price, the Mini 3 has a price tag of $469 without a remote controller, whereas the Mini 3 Pro has a $669 price tag. So, considering the features the Mini 3 boasts, we think it's a bit pricey. As a beginner drone, it should have been more affordable. In short, the DJI Mini 3 is an entry-level drone just like its Pro brother. But you won't get advanced features from the Mini 3 Pro except for longer flight time. So, if you don't need obstacle avoidance, features like ActiveTrack, Hyperlapse, APAS, and 4K video recording at 60fps, then the Mini 3 might be the right one for you. But in conclusion, who doesn't want these features? If you think the Mini 3 is the right one for you, then let us know in the comment section down below. That's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.